Oh, yo, what is up, everybody? Slayer Squad 2 here, back at it again with another banger video. My hair does not look great. I do not look great. Camera's freaking out of focus. I do not care anymore. But, bro, I look like an assassin. Like, I look like an assassin, dude. Holy crap. Yeah, I know, got that gators, you know. Okay, whatever. Who cares? But, anyways, so, I'll tell you about tonight. Riding my bike, having a good time. And, this guy in a truck. So I was on this lane, he was on this lane, I went like this. Here he come like this. Like, bro, I didn't get hit though. He was about like right here and I was like right here. Guy's freaking an idiot. People are idiots. People are idiots. Um but yeah, that is I don't know what to do. I don't know what the video should be. I'm gonna leave a link to my Instagram. Or no, it's not gonna be a link. I don't know how to do that crap. But I'm gonna put my Instagram and my Snapchat in the description. Make sure you go look down there. Follow me on both of them. Both social media. If anybody watches this, y'all. If anybody watches this, it's probably gonna be my family members or anybody like that, my friends. But yeah, I gotta go to the bathroom.
Hey guys, so never really done this before. Never really done this before, but it's gonna be an ASMR of Cody Riles. Ew!
Done. I'm over with it. Yeet. Take headphones out. Ouch. Ow. These nasty as free, bro. Don't eat these. Don't eat them. Yeet. Bro, I should make a video about me brushing my teeth. My morning routine. Take some peroxide. Yep, I do this. It burns. Yep. Let me go get the toothpaste. Oh, I found a toothpaste. take y'all with me. Oh. Uh-huh. This is life. This is life. Y'all got water on you. Hold on. There you go. I don't need that towel. But I do need this though. I do need this. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, y'all should tell me, like in the comments, if I should make a YouTube video about GTA. That'll be fun, right? It's me, it would. To me, it would be fun. That looks weird. I'm gonna stop. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Oh, hope y'all see him. Hope you've seen him. He's a cutie. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the fish. There's one right there. He's not big at all. See, he's not big. There's another one right there. He's pretty big. There's another dude hiding in there. Yo, dude, get out of there, dude. There he is. I made him come out. Holy crap, but he big. Alright, hope y'all seen him. So I show y'all how to make some ramen. First. Alright, let me set y'all down right here. Alright, so first you get your ramen out of the closet. Matter of fact, you don't get your ramen out of the closet, you get your ramen from over that cabinet. Here I got some ramen. Yeet! Yeet! Slime CODM. Alright, here I got some ramen here. Pat it down. Bam! Now, get your bowl. Gotta go over here. Yay! Psych! Don't ever do that. Don't y'all ever do that. That is a bad freaking idea. Of course, who would do that? Me, I'm stupid. Alright, open your ramen. Put it in there. Put it all in there. Oh, your ramen pieces all over the floor. Don't do that either. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to take your bowl of ramen. Set your phone somewhere. Take your bowl of ramen. See, got some ramen here. What you want to do is fill it up. Not too much. Not too much. Just halfway. Okay. Now what you want to do is pop it in the microwave. Just pop it in the microwave for about I don't really know, 320 to free. I don't know. I don't really read these things anyways. What is that? 1 minute. Yeah, right. I ain't doing that. Wait, 1 minute. Yeah, right. Get that out of here. And now we wait. I know that was probably a little bit disgusting about what you saw with the hydrogen peroxide. That was a little bit disgusting, wasn't it? I'm sorry for if y'all get sick. Sorry. Just don't ever do that, okay? None of y'all do that. I mean, makes your teeth whiter. Does actually. See? White. What's good? What's good? What's good? Oh shoot. Oh shoot, boys. Now I feel like putting this right back on. It's almost done, y'all. It's almost done. Oh, excuse me if y'all heard it. I don't think y'all heard it. But anyway, excuse me anyways. Oh, bro, this might be really disgusting, but hey, grab your cheese. Not your cheese. That shit good. Pick up your trash. If anybody want my tutorial, this video right here is going to be uploaded. I'm going to upload this video anyways. Done. Bam. Stop it at 15 seconds. And make sure you sing Breakfast on My Mind song. It goes like, it's not even morning, I got breakfast on my mind. I need a number 2, a number 4, 2 number 9s. And can you add a sausage, egg, and cheese with a hash brown on the side? My little partner wanna orange, but he said he don't want ice, no icing. Can you put some grape jelly in the bag? That would be nice, very nice. And can you add some hotcakes? Can you make them 4 or 5? And can I get a chicken biscuit? Make sure that it's freshly fried. It's these bro, can you ask them what they put up in that Sprite? Oh, is your ice cream machine working for? I really lose my mind. Is it really broken? Cause I feel like y'all be lying. And I hope you got my order, cause we only get one time. What time, so please don't get it wrong. And we got breakfast on our mind, and we got breakfast on our mind. Don't forget the, yeah! How do y'all do it? I don't freaking know. Y'all can hate me in the comments, I don't give a crap. I don't care. Don't care. If I don't know how to do it, I sure know how to do the dab, though. Dab. 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 Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Make sure you grab the... Make sure you grab the ramen. Grab the ramen. No, I can't do it. I'm gonna be a wuss. How do y'all do it? Grab your hot bowl of ramen. No, I didn't put the packet in there. The packet's not there. Do you want to see? Bam, no. The packet, right in here. Right freaking here. I would never do that. Nuh-uh. Bro, I need a GoPro. I need spitting on the camera. Man, this house got a strainer. I'm gonna need it. Make sure you have a strainer. Man, I'm gonna need a strainer, my dude. Gotti! Gotti! Bro, this is an ugly strainer, bro. Small. Alright. Take your ramen. Grab it. With the cloth or with the bare hands. Follow me. Crap, I can't get my phone. Sorry for keep y'all waiting. Sorry to keep y'all waiting. Oh shoot. Don't forget this. Alright, let go over here. Let go over here. Set your camera down right here. Like this, if you can or no. Take a trainer. Yes, yes. Shot. Take the bowl that's really freaking hot, burning my hands. Now just pour it in there. Shake it a little bit. Don't be too rough with it. Perfecto. Take a bowl with ramen, yes. Now, take these. Oh, what the freak? Take these, yes. Everybody love these. Everybody. I mean, everybody. You just hate when you rip the top off and that happens. Oh, it opened. Freaking sucks. This be hitting different. Alright. Sprinkle that in there. Sprinkle it, I mean. Throw it on the ground. This too. Take a fork, not a spoon, and he mix. And then, bon appetite! Mwah! Mmm. How to make yourself a cup of tea. No. Cody's version. Slide into your mom's DM. I mean, get from that cabinet a cup. Yay! Make sure you wash the cup. After I make tea, the video is gonna end. I'm gonna end the video. Put tea in here. First, get some ice. Water. Get as much ice as needed. My ice is like right here. No worries, perfectly fine. Grab your tea pitcher. Put some tea in there. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. Get some ramen, some tea. That tea be tasting different. Ugh. But that's not tea, bro. That's not tea. I repeat, that's not tea. Get a different beverage. How about a glass of milk? Where's the date? Bet! Alright, y'all. If you liked the video, if you liked me doing whatever I do, don't post anymore that much. But if you like this video, then make sure you subscribe, comment what you liked about the video. Please do so. And yeah. Hope you enjoyed. And remember to stay safe, stay inside. Quarantine's gonna be over pretty freaking soon, so let's go. Yeah. See y'all in the next video. Peace.